Hi guys, this morning on Telegram somebody says, well, I ventured my way away from ArcoLinux and have ArcoLinux installed. But everything is so different, right? Everything is so, all the packages, the design, the configs, the look, it's all different. Of course, when you go pure Arch, you need to change everything yourself. And one of the, reflexes you should have is the ArcoLinux Nemesis. Scripts on github.com, Eric Dubois, right? Why is that? And because of that remark this morning, I've changed the text on the website here, and I'd like to go over it together with you guys, because ArcoLinux Nemesis is no longer really ArcoLinux Nemesis. It's more a Linux Nemesis. I've written down what it's meant to be, right? If a guy starts with Arch and you want to get to something like looking like ArcoLinux, or you saw somewhere else an image, a screenshot, and you say I want to get there, right? You need to configure things, you need to install things, you have to make choices. So that's why I told here we should actually call this no longer ArcoLinux Nemesis scripts, but just Linux, because I've added here a few of these distributions, and these are all Arch based, but there is more, right? There is more. Any knowledge that you learn on ArcoLinux websites and YouTube videos can be applied. So can be the configurations, so can be the settings, the themes, the icons, you name it, right? Anything you learn can be applied on anything else. Also the non-Arch guys. So removing packages, installing packages, our configurations, our applications, our settings, personal things, anything, right? You are in control with these scripts. So if you go and look at the code in those scripts, you can make your own. And that's the point, right? I don't want you to hook you onto ArcoLinux. I want you to hook on Linux. That's the thing, right? Whatever you choose, these are all the Arch-based guys, and of course there are more, right? Just launch the ATT, and then you see already the support we give you with this particular tool. It's getting a longer list. After all these years, right? So yes, there is more than just the list that we are seeing here. Well, there he is. Quit. And then, yeah, sure. These are all things you can look around for. These the information, the websites, the downloads, the ISOs, but also the videos. We've made lots of videos, and if you say I'd like to look around on the website, well, do not look here, never look here, ever, right? Go to the channel and see what is on our channel. This is the world, trillions of videos, right? This is our channel. Just the name out of the blue, Garuda. What did we do? What did we tell about Garuda? There is a list, always most interesting. I try to use the lists so you can actually go here and have a look. 16 videos and see at the title more or less what can interest you. The numbering is also helpful, so that's the last videos I've made, and those are the first videos I've made. So there's that. We were here, right? We're here. So those are all supported, those are all Arch, but like I said, it goes beyond Arch. It goes like, voila, no, one more. Yes, we're back. Here, ArcoLinux Nemesis. So this whole page has been rewritten. New links to all these guys. Links to, of course, our YouTube channel, and then links to all these guys which are not Arch Linux based. The only difference is we don't do a sudo pacman -s, right? We do a sudo apt install and whatnot. Debian guys or non-Debian guys, void other commands. So in here we have some examples. I have only 2 websites now to just show off, right? I don't think I'm gonna make any more. But this is just a quick glance, because we are showing again, guys, it's here. it's in the ArcoLinux Nemesis script that there is a folder, or, well, actually a file, well, a folder with a lot of files, right? And in Mint and in Ubuntu, chat.wm, I really go overboard. Lots of things, and it's themed to the max, just the way I like it. And that's the point, right? Any distribution you choose to install and to use, you need to be in control. And that's this. This is being in control. And I know I make choices in these scripts. You make different choices. That's the point, right? You be in control. And here another example for Ubuntu. Again, all the YouTube lists for all these guys that we've had fun with. And often I will say I'll get my chat.wm in. So migrating ArcoLinux chat.wm to Solus. And well, you read the word ArcoLinux, but could have been migrating Endeavour OS i3 to Solus, right? It could have been anything, really, because it's a workflow thing. It is, what do I need? Where do I want to move to? That's my choice, and let's put everything together. It's Lego, right? Play with all the boxes and all the pieces of Lego and say I want a bash or a fish or a ZSH with theming, no theming, etc, etc. There is a ton of choices to be made on Linux because just the fun. We're in control. So me personally, I run the zero current choices, and that thing knows, oh look, I'm on Ubuntu, I'll do this. Oh, I'm on Linux Mint, I'll do that. And you can make this bigger and bigger. You can work on these scripts and say, okay, now I am on Nobara, right? Do this when you're on Nobara. So here's some, well, the revised version. I think it's important, right? This is me as a user, but also maybe as a developer of ArcoLinux. Stay in control. As an end user, we want to make the choice. That works, that doesn't. Okay, deal breaker, bye. You take another Linux distribution, but you need to choose a distribution, an ISO. And then it's a matter of staying in control. What do I want to do? I'm in electronics, I'm in music, I'm in designing, I'm whatever, right? Your passion, do the applications that you like, that you want to have, do they work on that particular distro? And then it's design-wise and control-wise, configuration-wise. And this helps you to stay in control. So another video to tell you guys, that's the goal of ArcoLinux, right? Be in control on Linux. Yes, ArcoLinux is based on Arch. Yes, there is a great Arch wiki, right? Let's tell you that again. If you can't find your solutions on the, well, on our websites, right? There's this. That's the basis. That's where everything can be found. Here's the wiki, lots of things. And yes, it's technical to install it, so that's why Calamaris can help you in the first years, and later on say, maybe I'll try to install Arch, the Arch way, the Arch wiki way. So up here, installation guide, that's the one you need to read, everything you need to read, right? And decide what to do. But there's lots of decisions here. So things that you need to figure out by reading and following all these links. So this is not enough, right? You need to follow all these links and read what is this doing and what is that doing and all that. All right, enjoy Linux, guys. You can learn a lot in ArcoLinux. It's based on Arch Linux, and in the end, we're still Linux. That's the goal, teach you Linux. Cheers.